Pull that dirt in them holes.
Good thing it's in the middle.
So we're getting ready for the garden. Got Reagan and Phil up there getting all the dirt filled in the holes. I got this for Jen for her birthday. And yeah.
I'll get some seed starts going.
Yeah. So this year we're going to try some new stuff. Mortgage lifters. These are supposed to be like the biggest tomatoes you can get that are the sweetest and
I'm doing
really
this
full.
one. Pat, 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 pat.
And then of course you got to have the California bell peppers. They're really big and real sweet. Love these things. So that's what we're going to grow in the house for now. And then later on probably start getting them apple trees and cherry trees and pawpaw trees and all that stuff stratified. So
Let's do that.
we can have some of them for sale in the market stand this year.
Shovel that. Oh, nothing on to the table. Don't worry.
Philip, what are we doing?
We're planting some seeds.
Yep. Are you getting the holes ready for them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Reagan, she's still smoothing hers out.
All done.
Okay.
I'm almost done. Me too.
Philip, did you say you want to do tomatoes, right?
All right. So now we got
I
to
got
start
them first.
putting the seeds in. So here's the seeds.
Okay. I'm done,
Okay.
Dad.
How many you want? 1 or 2 in each spot?
Let's just do one for now. Make sure we have enough to do all of them, and then if there's any left over, then we can double them.
Pick up a seed and put it in the hole. And then, yeah, just pick.
All right, Philip, go ahead, buddy. How tiny are them seeds? Are them little?
Yeah.
Very little, ain't they?
Yeah. Well, done with the seed?
Yep, just put one in each, and then if we have extra, you guys can put 2 in each later, but right now, just 1 in each hole. And remember which one you did. It's so small.
I'm dropping it. I'm looking down. See if I did the right one. Look, they're so small. They're being tiny.
Okay, now third row.
Okay.
Now it's time to water it.
Well, I don't know if I did this. Yeah. Oh, I did not. It's not coming out. Oh, whoa.
That's a little too forceful. Hang on.
People wash your hands.
Right on this, what they are.
Look good.
You got it.
Yay.
Well, this one's the California. We'll have
Now we're putting the lights on. Plug it in.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, there we go. That's bright. All right.
Kind of like for the kids too at night. So I'm kind of liking this. I think I think I'll probably buy some more of these if they do good. Then next year we can just have a ton of them, but that'll give me 40 pepper plants and 40 tomato plants.
Make a nice shelf.